Welcome to FutureDrive, where cars meet technology and engineering transforms into pure emotion. Today, we're leaving behind racetracks and supercars and stepping into a different kind of automotive masterpiece. One that doesn't chase top speed, but chases freedom. One that doesn't boast about acceleration, but about elevation. The elevation of living standards on the open road. This is the world of luxury motorhomes. Mansions on wheels, rolling palaces, machines so advanced and so refined that they are more than vehicles. They are lifestyles. And in this world, one name has always stood at the very top: American Coach. For 2025, American Coach has introduced brand new editions of its two flagships, the American Eagle and the American Dream. These motorhomes are not just updates, they're reinventions, with redesigned chassis, more power, smarter technology, and interiors that redefine comfort. In this journey, we'll dive deep into these masterpieces, their history, their engineering, the lifestyle they enable, and what they mean for the future of luxury travel. So settle in, because this isn't just a review. This is a story about how far luxury can travel. The origins of American Coach. To understand the 2025 American Eagle and Dream, we need to understand the brand itself. American Coach was founded with a simple vision: to create the most luxurious, technologically advanced motorhomes in America, not just RVs, but rolling mansions that gave their owners the freedom of the road without losing the comforts of home. In the 1980s and 1990s, RV culture in the United States was booming. Families used Winnebagos to explore national parks. Retirees drove across the country in simple campers. But these RVs were practical, not luxurious. They offered function, not prestige. American Coach stepped in to change that. From the start, their motorhomes were built with premium craftsmanship. Real hardwood cabinetry, leather seating, full-size bathrooms, residential kitchens, climate systems designed for comfort, features that most RVs couldn't even dream of at the time. They targeted a different audience: professionals, celebrities, athletes, and wealthy travelers who wanted more than a campsite. They wanted five-star living anywhere they parked. And so, American Coach quickly built a reputation as the ultimate name in luxury motorhomes. The rise of luxury motorhomes in America. America has always been a country of highways. The open road is deeply embedded in its culture. The idea of packing your belongings and driving across endless landscapes is a dream that many chase. But as lifestyles changed, travelers no longer wanted to choose between freedom and comfort. They wanted both. That's where luxury RVs came in. They stopped being just about travel and became symbols of status and independence. Hollywood celebrities began using them as personal sanctuaries on film sets. Touring musicians used them as rolling headquarters. Retirees turned them into full-time homes. Wealthy families began exploring America in style. Owning an American Coach wasn't just about owning a vehicle. It was about owning freedom at the highest level of comfort. The American Eagle, the flagship. At the heart of American Coach's lineup has always been the American Eagle. From its very first model, the Eagle became a symbol of what the brand stood for: power, prestige, and perfection. With every new generation, the Eagle evolved. Engines grew stronger, interiors became more refined, and technology became smarter. Every update pushed the boundaries of what a motorhome could be. By 2025, the American Eagle was already a legend. And now, it has been reborn once again, redesigned for a new era of luxury travel. The 2025 American Eagle, power and chassis. At its core is pure muscle, a 605 horsepower Cummins X15 diesel engine, producing a staggering 1,950 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse is paired with an Allison 4000 Series 6-speed transmission, known for its smoothness and durability. Together, They make driving effortless, no matter the terrain. The Eagle rides on a Freightliner custom chassis with the exclusive Liberty Bridge system, which reduces flex and vibration for a more stable, comfortable ride. But 2025 isn't just about power. It's about smart design. The basement has been completely re-engineered, increasing storage capacity by 15%. Larger sliding trays make it easier to organize belongings. The forward-positioned fuel tank frees up additional space at the rear. Its performance and practicality, seamlessly combined, the 2025 American Eagle, floor plans and interiors. For 2025, buyers can choose between two floor plans, the 45K and the new 45FW, which was created in collaboration with RV influencers Fuel Your Wander. Step inside, and the Eagle feels more like a luxury apartment than a motorhome. Hand-stitched leather seating, open-pore wood veneers, Cambria quartz countertops, ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood. Slide-outs expand the living space, creating a lounge area large enough for entertaining. The kitchen comes with high-end appliances, a full residential refrigerator, induction cooktop, and Blanco sinks. The bedroom is designed as a sanctuary, with a king-size bed, premium mattress, and generous wardrobe space. The bathroom offers a full-sized shower, porcelain fixtures, and elegant finishes. Every surface is intentional. Every detail speaks of craftsmanship. In short, the Eagle doesn't just take you places, it brings your home with you. Safety and technology. Luxury means little without peace of mind. That's why the 2025 American Eagle comes with the RoadWatch safety system. It includes adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation, traction control, lane departure warnings, and stability management. For convenience, it integrates a multiplex control system. With a touchscreen, or even your smartphone, you can manage lighting, climate, slide-outs, and more. It's technology designed to feel invisible, working in the background, giving you confidence on every journey. The 2025 American Dream. If the Eagle is the crown jewel, the American Dream is the perfect companion. Built for extended travel, the Dream offers 4 floor plans: 42Q, 45A, 45D, and 45P. The 42Q comes with a 450 horsepower Cummins L9 engine. The larger 45 5-foot versions share the Eagle's 605 horsepower X15. Inside, the Dream continues the tradition of elegance. Residential style. Kitchens with premium appliances, quartz countertops, and designer sinks, spacious. Bathrooms with porcelain finishes, multiplex smart controls for lighting and climate like the Eagle. The Dream also benefits from the redesigned basement with more storage. The Dream is about balance. It offers luxury without always needing flagship exclusivity. It's ideal for travelers who want 5-star comfort wherever they go. The lifestyle of luxury motorhomes. These motorhomes are not just vehicles. They're lifestyles. For celebrities, they're mobile sanctuaries. For touring artists, they're rolling offices. For retirees, they're full-time homes. Living in an American Eagle or Dream means waking up at the Grand Canyon one day and on Florida's beaches the next, all without ever packing a suitcase. It is the ultimate expression of freedom with comfort. Competitors and future trends. The luxury RV market is competitive, with names like Newmar, Prevost, and Integra. Each offers something unique, but American Coach stands out for its blend of craftsmanship, technology, and prestige. The future will only bring more innovation. Hybrid and electric drivetrains, solar-powered systems, autonomous driving AI-assisted interiors, and American Coach is ready to lead that future. Buying Guide. If you're ready to step into this world, American Coach makes it simple. Their official website has a Locate a Dealer tool. You can browse platforms like RV Trader. Dealerships like General RV showcase the newest models. Pricing depends on floor plan and customization, but owning an Eagle or Dream is more than a purchase. It's an investment in a lifestyle. Closing. Cinematic outro. The 2025 American Eagle and 2025 American Dream are not just motorhomes. They're statements. They're freedom without compromise. They're luxury, mobility, and independence fused into one. American Coach reminds us that the road isn't just a path from one place to another. It is a destination in itself. At FutureDrive, we celebrate more than machines. We celebrate the stories they carry, and the Eagle and Dream. They don't just travel, they inspire. Thank you for watching FutureDrive. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of luxury motorhomes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because here, the journey never ends.